Good morning, children. Good morning, parents. So today I am back again with yet another English activity. Today we are going to do writing of letter E sound E and letter F sound F in loose sheets. So before we start writing, let us do a small activity with these letters. So today we are going to do two activities. One with letter E sound A and another with letter F sound F. So there are many words with A sound, right? Like eyes, ears. So now I remember, how do we clean our ears, children? With what should we clean our ears? With earbud, right? So today what we are going to do, we are going to print this letter E and sound A with the help of this earbud. So let's start. It's a fun activity, children. So don't worry about if it get messy or something. So like this, you are going to print letter E. Yes. You remember you have done this once before? Yes. So isn't it fun? Yes, I just love doing it. So this is the way we are going to do a printing of letter E. Now let's do with another color. Take another color, and again I'm taking another earbud and I'm using red color now, and now I'm going to print this sound A. A for ear, A for eyes, A for elbow. What else, children? A for eraser. So many things, right? So see, I have done this. Isn't it looking colorful? So please try it out at home. So now letter F sound F. So can you tell me something with letter F? Yes, frog, fish and flower, right? So now we are going to do printing of this letter F and sound F with this flower. Okay, now see how I am doing it. Yes, let it be little messy, children. It is a fun activity. It is something which you will enjoy doing it. So don't worry if it gets messy. So like this you will do it. Okay? So children, hope you have enjoyed this activity. Now this is for you, parent. Please take out this loose sheet from the stationery kit. Yes, and as you know, you have to write down the name, date and time, 20 minutes on the top, and please, with the help of a scale and pencil, draw a vertical line like this and a horizontal line like this. Yes, and in one side you have to write letter E. You can use gel pen if you want, black gel pen, or you can use pencil. So please write letter E, leave one finger gap and write sound A, and other side you will write letter F, give one finger gap and write sound F, and then you leave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, and you have to draw a horizontal line below, and then you have to write draw. Children are going to draw one picture each with this respective letters and sounds. Okay? So parent, you have to set the loose sheet properly for the child. So you have to put a dot on the red line for letter E, and for sound A, you have to put a dot little below the first blue line. Yes, here, so that the child can make the curve in a proper way. So this is the way you are going to set it. How many? One on the red line and another on little below the first blue line. So this is the way you are going to set 1, 2, 3 lines. They will do with the help of dots, and the fourth one they are going to write without any dot. Yes, they are going to write it by themselves. So this is the way they are going to write letter E, sound A, and going to draw one picture below. Now I will show you how you are going to set letter F, sound F. So for letter F, you have to put one dot on the red line. Yes, and again 3 times. And for sound F, you have to put a dot little below the red line. Yes, so that the child can make the curve and come down. So this little minute things you have to keep in mind, and you have to set again three lines like this, and one they are going to do by themselves without any help. Now let me show you how you will write letter E. So put your pencil on the red line, on the dot. Yes. Now draw a standing line. Now pick up your pencil, draw a sleeping line on the red line, little smaller sleeping line in the blue line, and another sleeping line on the second blue line. Now let us write sound A. Now put your pencil again on the dot. Now draw a small sleeping line and then turn. Yes, just like your curve. Now I will show you again how to write letter E. Now draw again a standing line from the red line, a sleeping line on the red line, draw a little smaller sleeping line in the middle and one sleeping line below. Letter E. Now how will we write sound A? A small sleeping line, go up. Now make a curve and your A sound is done. So this is the way you will write 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay children, you are going to write letter E, sound A 4 times, and here you are going to draw one picture on A sound. Now let me show you how you will write letter F. Now keep your pencil on the red line, draw a standing line, pick up your pencil, draw a sleeping line on the red line and one little smaller sleeping line on the blue line. Now how will you write sound F? Keep your pencil on the dot. Now make a curve. Now come down and make a sleeping line in the middle. This is the way you will write sound F. Again I am showing you. Standing line from red line to blue line, sleeping line, another smaller sleeping line in the middle. Okay, now sound F. Put your pencil on the dot. Now turn, make a standing line, pick up your pencil, draw a sleeping line. Now this way you are going to write 4 times letter F, sound F, and here you are going to draw one picture on F sound. So look at here children. See, I have done this way. Letter E, sound A, letter F, sound F. You will also write very neatly children. Okay, I know you all are writing so nicely. You will write better than me. Yes. And below I have drawn something of my own choice. I have drawn an elephant and a fox. F for fox and A for elephant. You can draw on your own anything, whatever you want to. Okay, Please don't take any help from your parent. You, whatever it's come to your mind, you draw. Okay, so bye for now. See you again. Take care. Bye.